Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Canva AI Text to Image Generator. As you all know, recently there is a lot of AI tools that we can use. You can generate pictures, even up to video with just inserting a prompt or just several words to describe what kind of pictures you would want to appear. And recently Canva actually have that tools, and I'm going to show you how you can use that tools to spice up your design. The first thing you will want to do is obviously to create your canvas. You can use whatever canvas you want. You can custom size it, or you can also use the template that Canva have. But for today, I'm just going to custom size my canvas, and I'm going to create 8.5 by 8.5 canvas. All right, so this is how the Canva editor will look like, and what you're going to do if you want to create your own pictures with AI text to image generator is you're going to go to the menu on the left side of your screen and then scroll all the way down, and you're going to find an app button. And on that apps button, you will find an apps with the name of Magic Media, which is this one with the purple colors. And you will want to click on that, and you will see that there is a notification that says that they are making apps permissions more transparent, so you can install the app to let you know what data they can access and use. You can also learn more about that. We're just going to ignore that for now. And over here, you're going to see that you can actually create images as well as videos with these apps right here, but we're just going to focus on image for now. So to create an image, you will have to insert a prompt on this text box. If you don't know what to create yet, you can just go ahead and use the try an example button, and it's going to give you a prompt. And then you can also choose the styles of which your pictures will turns out to be. For this first one, let's try on watercolor, and I also want to have the aspect ratio just as it is, so I'm not going to change it. And then once we've done with all of that, we can just go ahead and generate the image. But you also have to pay attention that you only have 49 credits. And if you would like to have some more, you will have to upgrade your account from the free ones to the paid one. So here are the result. My prompt that was created by Canva was botanical bottles on top of a table, and I think they look pretty cute. The style is exactly what I want it to be, which is watercolors. And I love that this picture turns out looking more like a pattern instead of like just one whole pictures. And I can use this as a background for my design, or let's say I just want some decorative pictures on whatever it is that I'm creating. I think this is a very good idea to add some pictures without you having to go through the hassles of taking the pictures, of trying to find it online, which can lead to copyright, I think. So, yeah. And here I am trying to generate another one, because after you got your first four design or first four pictures, you can also click on generate again if you would like it to look similar, but you don't really like any of the pictures that shows on the first place. And right here I'm just going to add one of the pictures from the result and just arranging it one by one so that you can see how different they both look like. The first one have more brown color elements to it, meanwhile the second result of the AI is more greenier. And now that we've got the one with the prompt from Canva, I'm going to try and create my own prompt. So it says that you can include objects, color, as well as places. So I'm just going to insert pink flower bouquet with gold ribbon for my second prompt, and I would like to see how it looks like. I actually typing in quite a lot of detail because I want to see if more details will help the AI to create better pictures or not. I think it should help because there's a lot of AI tools that will have better result if you add more explanation to your prompt. And you can see that they actually shows you several styles, but I'm going to explore and see if I have some more styles to take a look around to. They have the styles of photo, vibrant, minimalist, playful, psychedelic concept art, 3D models, etc. I was actually drawn to the psychedelic one, but I kind of want to see how the result would look like in stained glass. So I'm also going to change the ratio to portrait, and we're going to have to wait until the pictures is done generating. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I think it looks beautiful. It's missing some of the aspect that I've inserted to the prompt. I want the flowers to have baby pink paper, but I think I cannot really see it, or it's just probably just blend in with the other background because stained glass is quite complicated. So I think I just have to give this one a pass. And if you see earlier, I copied the second prompt that I've created because again, I want to try the psychedelic one. So that's what I did. I just copied the second prompt and then I paste it again on the text box, and then I'm generating the pictures but in different styles. So the psychedelic one actually have quite some details. You can see that there is a ribbon on the flower bouquet, even though it's not actually golden, but I don't think shimmery golden is a part of psychedelic art styles. You can correct me if I'm wrong, I don't really know. But I think these are still cute. Those look beautiful. And I think I'm going to try one more time. This time I would like to create something that is more real life. So I'm going to choose photo as my picture styles. As for the prompt, I'm going to insert emerald green diamond on the hand with red nail polish. Again, I'm trying to be quite specific here because I want to see if the pictures are going to turn out pretty well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and generate my image. And this is how the result looked like. I think I forgot to mention that I want the emerald diamond to comes in the form of ring and are supposed to be on one of the fingers of that person, whoever that is. So you can see that only the last pictures have red nail polish in it, and that's why that is the one that I choose. I actually pretty loving all the other three result, but this is the one that looks the closest with the prompt that I wrote. You can actually explore some more with these tools. You can try on editing the prompt without choosing any styles, or you can also try out the different styles that they have. It's pretty easy to use. You just have to create some prompt and generate the image. So that is how you can use the AI text to image generator on Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.